What's the meaning of clocker? Clocker. Clocker.
Clocker. Clocker. The term clocker is often used in the context of horse racing to refer to someone who times horses as they work out on the track. A clocker's job is to accurately time each horse's workout and provide a detailed report of their performance. This information is used by trainers, owners, and handicappers to make informed decisions about which horses to bet on or race. A clocker's expertise and attention to detail are essential to the success of the horse racing industry.